Guys, well hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with another video. As you can see, I just wanted to do this video because I saw like 2-3 comments, I think, saying how I should basically show you guys how I stack my lashes. And for my last video, why did I pick my nose? For my last video, I was telling you guys that you can get cheap Mink gorgeous lashes. So if you haven't seen that video, go to it and find out how to get the best lashes for a very affordable price. So I decided, not only because some people commented that they want to see this video, but basically I have some new subscribers that really motivate me to make another video. Normally I'm supposed to be uploading once a week, yeah, but I missed out this week because somebody had to celebrate their birthday. So like it was a birthday weekend that I just couldn't film. My makeup's done right now. No word of a lie, I feel very plain. However, I can see everything clearly. That's not for me. I like to stack my lashes, and as you can see, I'm looking like plain Jane. I feel like my makeup's popping obviously, but I feel like I'm missing something. So I need to hurry up and get these eyelashes on. I put mascara on my real lashes and I'm just gonna get to it. Basically, these are the first pair of lashes I'm gonna wear. If you want to know where I got these from, then please watch my other video because it explains. You cannot ask me still because I'll still reply. You can ask me what lashes they are, but I have actually said it in my last video, so let's not waste any time. First pair of lashes, so I don't know if you can see it properly, but I'm going to leave it in the description box. I can't get my camera to focus, and I've done this side, but in case you didn't see, I'm going to do this side. First layer, this is first layer, going toward the end of my eyelid and just off my eyelid. So I can look a little bit more chinky. Okay, towards the end, just hanging off my eyelid, and that's just a preference. So this is gonna be hanging a bit off my eyelid. Well, so first layer, as you can see, it's going towards the end of my eyelid, so it's not filling up my whole eyelid, it's more to that side. So with the second eyelash, I'm going to put it more to this side, even though it's going to overlap the other one, but you'll see anyway, just watch. I'm ordering some new eyelashes, guys, they're on the way. These ones are crooked from when I was drunk and I slept in my eyelashes. When you sleep in your eyelashes, it's not the worst thing, but it's annoying when they're just all bent. Yes, honey. Yes. Very. Okay, so now my eyelashes are both on. I'm just going to make sure they're pressed down so they're level with each other. Literally, my eyelashes are kind of already long. So I'm going to put some mascara on my bottom lashes. Just for... Yeah, I have no trick to make my eyelashes long. They're just naturally long. So I'm just going to use Rimmel London's wonderful mascara. And then put on my bottom lashes. Guys, the worst thing that could happen right now is for mascara to go on my face. Stop talking. The main thing I would say when you're doing your lashes, I learned with tweezers and I use hair bonding glue. Majority people do not like hair bonding glue, I can't lie, and people are probably gonna get at me. I've been using it for 2 years now and my lashes are still long and fine, okay? The odd few might have come off but I haven't noticed, and it just keeps the lashes on all day. Like with hair bonding glue, I know my lashes are always on. that's just me, but that's not the point. The point is basically you style your lashes however you want to style your lashes. However you want your eyes to look is how you're going to style your lashes. So basically I like my eyes to look furry slash kind of chinky, so I let my eyelashes kind of hang off my eyelids, and then I just double them to make them look thick. So chinky and thick. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope it kind of helped, to be fair, because I don't know my angles and that. I don't know if I got close enough, but I hope it helped. If it did, please subscribe and follow me on all my socials as well. Thank you guys for leaving positive comments on my videos, and thank you for subscribing to me. And yeah, videos once a week. Stay blessed, and I love you guys dearly.